What is a high value woman? Me, for example, okay? And why do I deserve a high value man? I mean, for one, look at me, all right? There's something that people don't realize. Being beautiful is actually a job within itself. I don't need to work. I work every day doing my hair, getting my nails done. Have you ever sat in a salon and got rhinestones on all your fingernails? That is a job, okay? It's hard work, it's long hours. Like, I can't text or call or do anything. Like, I'm in a business meeting, if you think about it, realistically. So, the same amount of work that this high value man is doing to put money in his bank account is the same amount of work this high value woman is doing to put energy into herself so she can get a high value man.
It's crazy how it's the same ones who claim that they're the most educated and this and that. High value woman. But you have no idea on the laws of supply and demand. How the hell you finna be the seller and the buyer at the same damn time? Stupid. And this high value woman thing that I'm here, that's the thing y'all do. Anything that men come up with, y'all take it, pervert it, and create y'all own. Rest in peace to the late great Kevin Samuels. He's the one who used this he's the one who brought up that term. High value man. Put it. Y'all took it, corrupted it, and now high value woman. The manosphere came up with alpha male. Y'all corrupted it. Alpha female. Come on now. Come on. Be original. Y'all ain't even original. High value woman, this and that. You want to know who, matter of fact, you want to know the real women? The real women with high value. Yeah, the Proverbs 31 woman. The Proverbs 31 woman is the one with high value. I don't want to hear that nonsense. Like, Proverbs 13. She seeks out wool and flax and works with willing hands. But you incapable of doing stuff like that because you just empty on the inside. And how the hell you finna be able to work on something when you got claws longer than your own fingernails or fingers? Because you put rhinestones into that. You could adorn yourself with all of that fake stuff that don't make you high value. Because you're still a nutcase. You're still an ukbo. You're still an itiapu. Otondo. Yeah, that's exactly what you are. High value woman. Your hair ain't even real. Your hair's not even real. Hell, you can't even grow your own natural hair from your scalp. You can't even go the natural route. Gotta use glue on your hair, glue on your fingers, glue on them cumbrellas. High value woman. Why aren't you snatched up yet by a high value man? Running around talking all this crap and all that stuff. Nobody's looking at you. Nobody's looking at you. Golly. Y'all have absolutely nothing to live for. Make all that money. Y'all are working now and this and that. Okay, you're And that's a double standard. How y'all finna open y'all mouths and say y'all don't need a man? Y'all don't need a man. Y'all don't need a man, but turn around and say, I'm qualified for a high value man. You're not qualified for any type of man whatsoever if you never needed a man in the first place, moron. The same ones that I don't care. It's like the older y'all get, the stupid y'all get. The life and times of the grown and stupid. I don't care how busy you at the end of the day, you were made to serve the man. Fact. That's a biological fact. No man's made to serve you. You were designed to be a helpmeet. Like I said, you in the West. You are in the West. So you could talk all that nonsense because you protected by a bunch of orbiters and simps. You Jezebel spirit. Power to all the kings out there that done looked at your pathetic ass and skipped over. Kept it pushing. You're left with the bottom of the barrel type dudes who don't want to do anything to improve their lives. Why? Because that's where you belong. Mrs. Cumbrella. Mrs. Fake Hair. Mrs. Fake Diamonds on her fake nails.
Boom.
In your face, suckers.
Respect to ferocious. Pharaoh.
Yeah. The Bible don't lie.
Gladiator in the
Bible doesn't lie.
crucifix.
Isaiah chapter 4 verses 1. On that day, a man will take hold of 7
Ain't nothing
women.
changed, still the same dude that
Say
I
to
was
him,
before. That original fact, spit a
eat
super
our own
hardcore.
bread.
Very passionate
We
about
will
this
wear
art form, never
our own
diluted.
apparel.
Maintaining my hip hop purity,
Just
cause
let
the
us
game
call
polluted.
you
They
by
don't
it.
make
Let
me a
us
criminal,
take
cause I wanna
you by
be
your
different
name.
from the rest
So
of the
we
bunch,
won't
cause I
be
know
mocked
that I'm very
as
gifted.
old
I understand myself
mistresses.
and I know what I'm all about. If you want your purpose, then you
Coping
won't think of selling out. We are
back
currently
to
living in a
marriage.
world that's finna change, but that don't mean that
High
I'm a follow
value
suit or
woman.
do the same, cause I ain't ignoring
Your
the
level
fact
is
that it's
low.
full of
You gonna have to
pretenders
share a
with
man.
dimensions of
High
executing
value
they crooked
woman.
agendas. Abnormal abnormalities.
Mrs. Wolverine claws with fake rhinestones. Oh, you gonna have to share a man.
Guarantee that none of them will be getting me, cause there's a lot of room for me in the books.
You gonna have to share a man.
Goodbye to my past, say hello to my future. I started as an understudy, today I'm a ruler. I ain't your typical John
Make
Doe,
your
'cause
bed.
I ain't fickle. I can never be
Same way you
artificial
finna
when my
lay
heart's
on.
official. I ain't the one you
To
wanna cross, 'cause I ain't
all
soft.
my
I'll
fellas
never
out there,
condition
bro.
myself to hold on to a loss. I ain't the
All
one
my
you finna
noble
cross, 'cause I ain't
black
soft. Thinking that I'm
kings
bluffing,
out
I'ma
there,
have to
bro.
show you who the
Like in
boss.
a
Show me the foes, let
positive
me step on
mental
their toes. Niggas should
headspace.
know that we ready to
Like
go.
I said,
Kick in the door, put the
when you
mic
see
on the
clowns
floor.
like
Let
her,
you spit or let you raising the bar. If you can hear me,
push
I
her
wonder
to the
when will you
side.
listen and witness the spells form. Verses become born.
She's
When the
worthless.
tables turn, your kings
All
become
my
pawns.
go-getters out
I
there
stand
making
corrected,
money.
my brothers who move like queens. It's a whole way of
See her?
life, just trying to
Push
deny
her.
your dreams. You will learn the
She's
value,
not
the virtue, and not defiance as the pot chase the kettle when both of
Time
them live in
is not
fire. Nigeria's underwater.
She
the
belongs to.
president won't acknowledge.
She's not a top flight
Let's give them a second
type
silence.
chick.
Dreams get deferred. When you fall
She's
apart,
not a
wisdom
first
becomes a curse. It's like you have a
division.
friend
She's
with
not
no
a
one to set it
championship
on.
division type chick. She's a relegation zone type chick. Relegation zone.
Say hello to my
That's where she
future. I
belongs.
started as an understudy,
She's not supposed to
today
be
I'm a
with the
ruler.
ball.
I ain't your
Her.
typical John Doe, cause I ain't
I know
fickle.
it.
I can never be artificial when my art's official. I ain't the one you wanna cross, cause I ain't soft. I'll never condition myself to hold on to a loss. I ain't the one you finna cross, cause I ain't soft. Thinking that I'm bluffing, I'ma have to show you who the boss.
Stepping out the gates of hell.
God on the mic, about to put the devil in the cell. Blowing up these infidels, ladies singing like Adele. Grabbing on the feeling of me, sorta like Braille. But Jaga never tattletale, we talking tales in the night. By the light, burning some fire while we getting higher than a fucking kite. Yeah, you know we taking flights. We off site, see the stars, might take a trip to Mars, astronautic bars. Now we about to take off, niggas took their brakes off. Watch who you calling, bro, man, RIP to take off. Niggas blew his brains off, let my nigga laid off. Pulling Glocks on him, got him staring at the culture. In a land full of vultures, can you stand the torture? 365 days, tell me what is life torture? This little light of mine, I'ma let it shine. With every single rhyme, I'ma kill it every time. Jaga.
Say goodbye to my past, say hello to my future. I started as an understudy, today I'm a ruler. I ain't your typical John Doe, cause I ain't fickle. I can never be artificial when my art's official. I ain't the one you wanna cross, cause I ain't soft. I'll never condition myself to hold on to a loss. I ain't the one you finna cross, cause I ain't soft.